this red side is out all day long, okay? And people have coughed and I've walked through it and it's blah, blah, blah. So then if I forget which side I've worn and I do this, so now guess what I'm breathing in? Coronavirus. So it doesn't matter if you wore a mask. You have collected everything from the day that you've walked through, the sneezes and the coughs and all that stuff. You collected it all on this side of the mask. So this side of the mask should never touch your face. So that's another reason to make sure that you're not wearing your mask multiple days in a row. I mean, you could probably throw some disinfectant on this if you had some in the car, spray it down and let it sit overnight, and that would be fine. But you don't want to, I mean, within the same period of time, like in that day, you definitely don't want to do this and then do this. Because that's where people are going, I still got the coronavirus and I wore a mask. Hi, I'm Crystal with Crystal Reef Designs. I have been making masks for 9 or 10 months now. I have seen so many people wearing masks and like I have no words. So there's no point in wearing a mask if you're gonna like pull it down to sneeze or cough. Like it's pointless. So please, if you're one of those mask wearers and you're out in public, please don't do this. It makes me insane. Okay, you got your mask on and you're like, oh, I gotta sneeze. And you go, achoo. Okay. So, this is how you properly wear a mask. You want your mask up here. It can be down here. You just want it up as high as possible. Why? Because you're not going to sit here and hold it all day. Okay? You want to be able to talk freely. I'm opening my mouth as wide as I can go. Right? You don't talk like that. But the point is, you want your mouth to be able to sit where you talk normally and it does not go here. If your mask is going here, it's not tight enough. Or it's not wide enough. Okay? A way that you can tighten, and I'm going to take this off for a minute so I can show you on another mask. Tie it around in a knot. Make a little knot. And put it where it needs to go. Okay? This is part of the problem. I think a lot of people wear their mask day in and day out and day in and day out, okay? That's why you're seeing maskne, which is the acne from a mask. The oils in your skin is absorbing into your mask, right? So what you want to do is every night, which kind of sucks, wash your mask. Or if you have multiple masks, do like a quick load. Don't wear them day in and day out, like the same one over and over again. One thing that I do with my mask that I make is I make one side this, one side different. Even if you want a black, I'm going to give you a dark gray or something different on the other side so that you know which side of the mask that you've actually worn. So you wear the black, okay? So candy cane is on your face all day. And then you take it off and you put it in your car and it's like this. And you just sit it down and then you're like, oh man, which side was I wearing? I can't remember. Okay. So then you put the opposite side on your mat. Well, there's coronavirus. You just got it. Like whatever this catches, if you put it like on your face because you don't pay attention to which side you're wearing for the day, like, sorry, your mask, you're going to say, well, I wear a mask all the time, but it didn't work. Because you just put the germs that it collected from this side onto your mouth. So don't do that. The other thing is wearing your mask, if you need to get it tighter, wash it, okay? Washing and drying this mask is going to tighten it up and make it more fitted. So the more that you wash it, and the way that I make these masks, you can wash them, I mean, 30, 40, 50 times, and it's just going to suck it in. You're going to put it on, it's going to be like brand new. If you're the kind of person that it fits perfectly when it's loose, pull the elastic, you know, loosen it up a little, but make sure you keep these clean. It's like super vital you keep these clean. We have just gotten in these lanyards. Super cute. Like, you hook your mask, it hangs, so you're like outside taking a breather, you're done, you know, you're a dental hygienist and you're like, okay, I need a break, I need to go outside for a second. You just take your mask off, right? It's on. Let me get this. Okay, so it just hangs here. If you're wearing your hair down or even up, it's not like super weird. It's just there. It sits on your neck. Take it off. And it hangs. Okay. It's got this lanyard is adjustable. So you can like, bink, boop, put it wherever you need it. All right. So this is a good way to keep your mask off the floor. Also keep you like in the know of which side you've been wearing. So after doing a lot of research about masks and how much they actually help, it is proven that double-sided cotton masks are the best, other than like an N95. And personally, I love the cotton mask, not just because I make it, but because it's not throwing a lot of trash on the ground. It's reusable. So, you know, we're trying to save the planet here also. Well, some people are. So, you know, wearing something that's reusable that you can wear over and over again as a fashion, part of your wardrobe, part of a season, like the candy cane, like you're like saving the planet by not having something to throw away constantly. And you know what? Who cares if this is all over and you want to wear a mask when you mow and it's candy cane? Who cares?